Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another amazing episode of Carving with Brian. We're gonna stick with the Halloween theme for a little bit longer. So today, instead of carving a wooden pumpkin like before, we're gonna carve an actual pumpkin with the Dremel. Should be fun. So sit back, relax, put your safety glasses on because stuff's gonna go flying everywhere. This has potential to get pretty messy. So let's have some fun. Alrighty, guys. So first step, safety glasses. Wipe these things off, put them on my face. Alright, now I'm gonna use this side here. Let's draw a little face. We're just gonna do a traditional pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern. So throw some triangle eyes, something like that. The nose, and then a little squiggly line mouth, right? Now normally you would cut this part first, right, to gut the pumpkin. But what's the fun in that? So we're gonna carve it like this, and we're gonna make a mess. So let's go ahead and switch out the burr for something more aggressive. And this little diamond tip thing. We'll use this one here. It's like a taper burr. I can't remember who made it. I think it's just made by Dremel. I got it at Home Depot. I think it should do just fine for what we're doing. So let's carve this face out and see if we can make a mess. Guys, my hands are covered in pumpkin guts. Look at this face so far. So we're gonna keep going on it, but I just wanted to stop and show you guys for a second, like, because it's hard to see, I'm sure, on camera what's really going on here, but there's pumpkin guts all over the place. I'll show you after we're done. I'll kind of show you around my workstation. You can see look at the flies are coming in. Pumpkin. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going. Cover it a little bit more. And then we'll do pop the top and gut them out, right? You know, pumpkin stuff. Anyways, so let's keep carving. Okay guys, so we've carved his whole mouth in. Now it's the moment of truth. We're gonna, oh okay, it looks like he's throwing up. See if I can push it out. Oh, there it goes. Give me that mouth. Oh man. Well, Mr. Pumpkin is throwing up all over my hand. It's gonna be fun to clean up. Okay guys, I am going to get a bag and then we'll pop the top off this dude and rip his brains out and we'll go from there. Alright. Okay, let's set this messy thing to the side. Go ahead and pop his top. Let's see what happens. Oh, come on. Guess I didn't get all the way through, but we're close. There we go. Alrighty. I'm gonna get them all cleaned out. I got a bag down here on the floor by my feet. And just clean off this top real quick. Hang on a second, guys. Good enough. Alright, let's dig in. So you guys have all seen a pumpkin carved before, right? But not like this. This pumpkin's got a lot of guts. The bigger pumpkins seem like they're pretty hollow inside, but this one's got a lot. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get this your pumpkin all cleaned out, and then we'll get it all set up on the table here and give you guys a view, let you see how he looks. So yeah, let me get this guy clean, because he's got a lot more guts in there. Let me get him all cleaned out and I'll get back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, there's pumpkin in my beard. There's pumpkin all over me. My hands are covered. Pumpkin everywhere. Shirt all over my table. But anyways, the jack-o'-lantern's done. Alright, so I give you Stringy the jack-o'-lantern. I think I need to take him outside and spray him down with a garden hose. Or maybe I'll just leave him like this because he's kind of cool. It almost look like teeth. Like he's got a whole bunch of different teeth. But then he's got them in his nose too. So, yeah, whatever. Anyways, yeah, I know this was just a silly little video. And, you know, it was fun. Halloween time, right? So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button for me and share this with your friends. I'd appreciate it. And keep carving, guys. Catch you on the next one. Bye. There you go, buddy. Have some pumpkin guts.